Let's make a green salad for all the nice meat dishes we usually prepare. And actually it's very common here in Greece. I haven't seen it anywhere else in the world, so I hope you like it.
Yeah, it's kind of simple and it's one of those lazy recipes they do here in Greece.
It's not lazy. All this needs very thorough washing, you know. Anyway, we start with the lettuce and we cut it by hand so it gives better texture. We move on with one cucumber. Let's chop off the ends first and then we will try to cut it lengthwise, almost, and small pieces. And we add it to our bowl. Then we add some spring onion and try to cut it thinly. Not that good with a knife.
That's how you learn. You know, you have to make the claw there and
but you had to give me also the biggest one, I mean, honestly.
You cannot cut this with a paring knife.
And we chop it a little bit more, not to have big chunks of onion there, so it goes all over the lettuce.
It's unpleasant to get these big chunks of onion. You don't want that.
And we add it to our bowl. And last green stuff, some nice dill. That's very aromatic actually, but you don't want to overdo it because it takes over the whole.
Yeah, how much are you going to add? A couple of tablespoons?
Maximum, I would say. Something like this. Yep.
Yeah, that looks good.
And into the bowl. Final touch, we prepare our dressing. I have here a lemon. Obviously, whatever is Greek contains lemon inside. That's like a given.
Everything here in this country is lemonish.
Like this or like this?
Yes, like that. Face down.
Unless it's with the tomato sauce, then okay, we don't put lemon. Often.
Okay, that's true. You want all of it, both?
Of course. It's not much even. Then we add
some balsamic vinegar. How much? About the same amount?
No, a bit less, I think. You don't need that much. Good splashes of extra virgin olive oil.
Nice.
And some pinches of salt. And a little bit of freshly ground pepper. You don't need that much. And let's shake it.
So basically what you're making is a spiced vinaigrette.
If that's what it's called.
It is.
That looks nice. And then we pour it all over our nice salad. It's very refreshing, very nice salad.
It's gonna be good. I love vinegar.
All it's left to do is give it a good stir.
Yeah, and this salad pairs well with fatty meats.
Yes, because you need to have a balance with all the fatty food you make.
We make.
Yeah.
It's we.
Let's give it a taste.
Is it good?
Delicious and very refreshing. Give it a shot.